this will be a troubleshooting or a guide what each wires are for a third brake light for a BRZ from 22 to 23. So I'm gonna give you a runaway what each wires are. So the black wire is ground wire, blue wire is brake light, white wire is reverse light, and green wire is animation / DRL. So you're gonna go ahead and connect the black wire to the ground. Make sure that the ground is well connected. If not, it's not gonna turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the green wire, which is DRLs and animation. So that's for green wire. I'm gonna do white wire, which is reverse light. Again, it's white wire. I'm gonna do blue wire, which is brake light. Again, it's blue wire. Also, if you don't want the animation on the green wire, which is, since it comes with the animation, if you don't want the animation, it comes with these two wires right here, and it's also in the kit, it's gonna include this button. So you're gonna go ahead and check this out. And connect it. So as you can see, there's no animation anymore. So if you want the animation back on, just push the button and it'll turn the animation again. If you don't want it, just push the button and it'll turn it off. So this is an OEM tail light for the BRZ or the 86. As you can see in the back of the harness, it's the pink wire and then the red wire. So the pink wire is actually the DRLs and the animation, but since it's an OEM, you're gonna be the DRL. Red wire will be a brake light. So when you connect your third brake light, you're gonna use the green wire and the blue wire. So the green wire is gonna be onto the pink one, and the blue wire will be to the red. So it's gonna be pink on green and blue on red. And then if you're gonna connect the ground will be onto the black one, which is in the middle. So it's gonna be black on black. So make sure that the ground wire is on there so it can turn on. If not, it's not gonna turn on. So on the aftermarket, it will be the green wire for the animation and the DRL. Red wire is brake light, and then ground will be the black wire. So these three up here. So the green wire for the brake light will be on green, and then the blue wire will be onto the red one, and then black will be black on black. And then of course the reverse light is gonna go onto the reverse light, which is on the bottom of the car. It's a small harness, and it's gonna be onto the red one.